Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to remove background absolutely free. No need to use any kind of third-party software. No need to pay any website. You can use your MacBook and very easily remove any of image background absolutely free. And it's very simple tips and tricks. So how to do it? We will see detailed demonstration on laptop screen. This is my laptop screen, and if I click this image, so this image Priyanka Chopra, she is a favorite of mine, and I want to remove the background. This is the image and some of the background also coming. This image open by default in preview application, and the preview application available absolutely free on Mac laptop. So here tool, after that you click here tool and then simply remove the background and convert, and boom, the image background is removed. If I close this one, again I open this one, so entire background is removed. It's very simple. Next I can use this one, again tool, remove background, and boom, entire background is removed. Again we can use third image, tool, remove background, and that's it. It's very simple tips and tricks. After that you can use this image anywhere, wherever you want to use. No need to use third party, not coming any kind of copyright. So earliest time using some of the website portal, but I just find out this option, that's why I share with you this video. So it's very simple. So you can remove background of your original content also, like this, convert, and that's it. It's very simple tips and tricks to remove background. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video, and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.